everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be sewing up a seam. So I have this little dog sweater I made, a little dog hoodie or jumper, whatever you want to call it. And I need to sew up this seam. So we're going to start by turning it inside out. You're going to need a darning needle. Now what I did is I left a long tail when I made this project, but if you don't have a long tail, you can just use a piece of yarn. And we're going to thread our needle. And then I'm going to put the two sides together like so. And we're going to do what's called a whip stitch. So you just go into so my working yarn is coming out here. We're going to go over to this side, pull it through. Whenever I'm at the bottom of the seam, I always put 2 stitches just to give it that extra security. Okay. Now I'm using a crafting needle, so it's a little bit sharp. I find that they're better than yarn needles because yarn needles are quite often blunt at the end. So I use a crafting needle. I just find it sews easier. And what we're doing is we're going back to the side we started on, and we're going through both, and then we just pull through. And we do that again, and we pull through. And you're just going to do this up the seam. See, and this is nice and together. So now at this end, you can either tie it, which I'm going to do because I haven't hidden my other threads, and I just like that extra bit of security. Now this is for a dog sweater, which, by the way, I will put a link in the description for a similar dog sweater tutorial. I've just changed around the colors and make it your own, right? So now what we're going to do is we've done that knot. If we hadn't done a knot, I'm going to show you what we would do. So let's pretend I didn't just do that knot. We would do what's called a surgical knot. So you would make a loop, go through your loop once, go through your loop twice, pull tight. Okay, and then you would just weave the extra yarn a few times because you never ever cut where you knot. And that, my friends, is how you sew up a seam. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and yeah, watch for full tutorials every Thursday. Thanks for watching. Bye now.